So all are ready for the class? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just we'll wait 2 more minutes, then I will start the class. By the time you have to be ready with your copy, pen, pencil, because
Yes,
today we are
ma'am.
going to discuss the question answer of chapter 1, isn't it? As I have told you yesterday, I think, that we'll discuss the question answer today.
Okay, ma'am.
And I had told you also to write down the summary of the chapter, isn't it?
Ma'am, मैंने
Yes,
किया
na?
है.
Have you written down, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So I'll begin the class. Let's see how many of them have participated till now. Only 11, I think. Okay. So students, today we are going to revise that same chapter. So I'll ask you, one of you, to read the summary, what you have written down. I had given you the homework, I think, to write down the summary and to find out the verb also from that particular chapter. Am I right? है ना
Yes,
बच्चे?
ma'am. Yes,
समरी
ma'am.
लिखने के लिए दिया था, वर्ब फाइंड आउट करने के लिए दिया था, isn't it? And word meaning also I had given you. So all that question, all that homework, have you done it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't give you the question answer because today we are going to discuss the same thing. That's why after the discussion we will write them. So can you read, one of you, what you have written down? Yes, Suhana. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Just you read your summary, what you have written down in your copy.
This story is all about a mother bird and her two newborn birds. The mother died in a storm, and the sons got parted from each other in the thunderstorm. Due to the strong wind, the tall tree that they lived
Wind.
on
Hmm.
also fell, and they were Ron reached near a gang of robbers, and the other one landed near the Rishi's ashram. One day, a king got
Hmm.
associated while following a deer. He came and sat under the tree near the cave of robbers. There, the king had a big bone bird voice. It was calling the robbers to rob the king. The king hurriedly got up from there and rode away. He reached near the Rishi's ashram. Here
Yes.
again he headed the bird's voice, but it was a complete con- contrast to what he had earlier. This bird asked the king to take rest inside the ashram and wait for the rishis to come. The king was ashamed to see the similar appearance of the birds, but this voice was too gentle. The bird told the king that his brother and had learned that language from the robot. When the rishis come, the king shared the story of the birds
Okay.
with his. The rishis smiled and said that it was impact of the company that was begin reflected on the behavior of the birds. That bird was not at fault. He was just repeating what he had heard, and the forest was full of varied surprises. मैम कंप्लीट हो गया.
Okay, very good, very good, good.
Thank you, मैम.
So you have written down nicely. So I think all you have understood now. Yes, other children. Yes,
Yes,
what she
ma'am.
read. Did you understand? Yes, Ankita.
Yes, yes, yes,
समझ
ma'am.
में आ गया बच्चे? Yes, good.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
anyone is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
बच्चे और कोई बच्चे ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is that? Tell me your name.
Ma'am, Ankita. Ma'am, Princey.
Ankita, are you ready? Okay, wait. When others are reading now, you have to mute yourself, isn't it? Okay, Princey, now you have to read your summary. And rest of you, please mute yourself. Okay, put on
Okay,
your
ma'am.
video, beta. Princey,
Yes, ma'am.
please put
A
on your
tale
video.
of two. A tale of
I can't see you,
two
बच्चे.
birds. A tale of
Come
two
on.
birds is about a bird and her two newborn babies. A big storm brought down the tree in which the bird's nest was. Hit by a heavy branch, the mother died, while the strong wind blew away the two little birds to the other side of the forest. One bird landed near a cave where robbers lived, and the other one landed outside a rishi ashram. Time time passed
Yes.
and the bird grew. One day the king came hunting in the forest, chasing a deer deep. Into the forest the king lost his way. When he got tired, he rested under a tree near a cave. He heard a voice crying out that someone
Good.
was under tree and could be robbed of his jewel and horse. The king saw a big brown bird on the tree. Saying this, and before anyone could come, he fell on his horse quickly. The king then reached an ashram nearby. He saw a similar bird, but this one was welcoming the king. Into the ashram, the bird saw that the king was puzzled and explained that the other bird was his brother who had made robbers his friends. The rishi explained the story of the two birds to the king. When he came back to the ashram, when the king had eaten and rested well at the ashram, he left.
Good. Yes, Princey also has written well. Yes, good.
Thank you.
Any
ma'am.
other children? Any one of
Yes,
you?
ma'am, Ankita.
Yes, Ankita, please put on your video. Video on karo bachche.
The moral of two birds. The moral of a tale of two birds is a person who friends with good people, his or her, his behavior is also a person who friends with bad people, his or her
Your voice is
behavior
not
is
clear, bachche. Ankita, अंकिता 1 मिनट बेटा, आप ईयरफोन है आपके पास? आपका
No,
आवाज क्लियर
ma'am.
नहीं आ रहा है बेटा. So next parents to provide you, okay, because we cannot hear properly. Yes, Ankita, are you listening beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is not audible properly, so next time I will give you chance to read, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Don't feel bad. Okay, so anyone, otherwise I will start to discuss the question answer, because I have to give you notes also. So anyone, children, if you would like to read your summary that you have written down? None of you? Okay, no problem. So I think more or less you have understood the story and moral of the story also, isn't it? Yes, bache, moral of the story also you have understood well, I suppose.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So today we will discuss the question answer. Just I will share you the PDF also. I have prepared for you. That also I have give you. But first of all, we'll discuss, then only you have to write it down. Okay. So all of you please be ready. Don't see here and there. Focus now. So first question is, are you listening me, bache?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you?
Yes, ma'am.
My voice
Yes,
is
ma'am.
audible for you?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So first question, we'll see the first question of chapter 1, A Tale of Two Birds. So how did the baby birds get separated? How did the baby bird get separated? Yes, Ankita, म्यूट कर दो बच्चे, सारे बच्चे अपने. Yes, बच्चे, सारे बच्चे अपने आप को म्यूट करो. हाँ, very good. So how did the baby birds get separated? वो separated मतलब अलग कैसे हो गए? Why? How? क्यों? You know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 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 Who wants to give the
The
answer?
baby bird get separated because
Because
because of strong wind, his mother was tied, so the baby bird
they were
separated.
separated. Very good. That is also is a good answer. Okay. So then I have written down that small short answer. The baby birds got separated because of the strong wind. The baby birds got separated from each other because of strong wind. Okay. You want to write it down, or you will be able to write by yourself? बच्चे अपने आप लिख पाओगे?
Yes, ma'am.
चिल्ड्रन, यदि आपसे हो पाएगा, then I will give you. Otherwise, I will give you the chance to develop your mind. Otherwise, I will give you spoon feeding. हो जाएगा ना first one?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ठीक है. First one is done. All are agreed? You will be able to? Yes, बच्चे. Now, next one. Okay. Next question. Please read it, one of you. Harshit. Harshit is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Where did each of
Yes,
them
Harshit.
find a home?
Yes. Where did each of them find a home? What do you mean by this? क्या इसका मतलब क्या है? What do you understand by this sentence? Where did each of them find a home? Can you tell me what is the meaning of this? अपना घर कहाँ उनको मिला था, है ना? Where did each of them find a home? वो अपना अपना घर,
Yes.
both each मतलब one of them, है ना? Where they find their home. अपना घर उनको कहाँ मिला था? Where? Do you know the answer? कहाँ कहाँ उनको अपना घर मिला था? Yes ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you can answer me, otherwise I will tell you.
Ma'am,
So as you know, first bird was, yes. हाँ बताओ बच्चा, बताओ. Yes, come on, बोलो.
Ma'am,
Yes, who wanted to say the
one
answer?
bird takes a cave, will leave the
Yes,
gang
and second
of
one?
robbers, and the another one take home near the Rishi's ashram. Ma'am, मैं बताऊं?
Yes. हाँ बताओ बेटा, सुहाना
Ma'am,
बोलो.
one baby bird landed near a Rishi's ashram, and the other bird reaches a cave of robots and robots.
Gang of robots. Okay, good. So first young bird, one of the young bird found its home near a cave, है ना? Near a cave where the gang of robbers lived, है ना? Yes or no? Yes. And the other
Yes,
at
ma'am.
the Rishi ashram. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer clear है
Yes,
बच्चे?
ma'am. Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
One of the young bird found its, इनका आप लोग थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन से भी आंसर लिखने सीखना है. One of the young bird found its home near a cave where the gang of robbers lived, and the other at the Rishi ashram. Clear बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you heard now? Yes, बच्चे. Now next question is question 3. Question 3. Who wants to read the question 3?
Ma'am, what
Yes.
did the
Yes. बोलो बच्चे, one of you, not together. Only one person can read.
what did the first bird say to the strangers?
Okay. Now listen. What did
Ma'am.
the first bird say to the stranger? First bird. Who is the first bird here? Who
Ma'am,
landed near a cave? Not mother, beta.
Cave.
She not mother. Mother तो already killed. Big storm की वजह से mother already died. Now only both of them brothers. They are only survived. Only they are living here. Not mother. Mother bird already died. She is dead. है ना? She is no more. Now we are talking about the only two birds. Those little birds now they have grown up. Okay, खुशी?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So यहाँ पे देखो कि what did the first bird say to the stranger? Now first bird, who is the first bird here? That bird which was landed near the cave is the first one, and second one is that which bird that landed near at the Rishi ashram, है ना? Yes. So ऋषि आश्रम में जो था वो सेकेंड बर्ड है, एंड दैट गैंग ऑफ रॉबर्स के पास जो था दैट वाज द फर्स्ट वन. सो व्हाट डिड द फर्स्ट बर्ड से टू द स्ट्रेंजर? क्या बोला था स्ट्रेंजर को? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्ट्रेंजर हियर?
मैम, अजनबी.
Yes, ajnabi. Stranger means ajnabi. the person
Ajnabi.
first time you meet, है ना? So what did he say? उनको क्या बोला? क्या बोला था?
Go hurriedly.
Yes, you know. Yes.
Quick, hurriedly.
Come on, Suhana, you say.
Quick, hurry up.
Okay, Suhana. Come on. Say. Yes, Suhana, give me the answer, beta.
Ma'am, the first bird said to the stranger, quick, hurriedly, go. Quick, hurry up.
Ma'am,
हाँ. Quick, hurry up.
And the next bird say to the stranger to welcome
पहले
her.
हम फर्स्ट वर्ड हाँ पहले हम फर्स्ट को डिस्कस करेंगे, देन विल कम टू द नेक्स्ट. ओके, ठीक है. पहले फर्स्ट को हमने क्लियर करेंगे, देन विल कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood na? So the first bird said to the robbers or stranger, to the robbers to hurry up and rob the man's jewels and his horse. यही बोला था ना? Yes. कुछ डिस्टर्बेंसेस है सुहाना, म्यूट कर लेना बेटा. आपके तरफ से डिस्टर्बेंसेस है, थोड़ा सा म्यूट कर दो. हाँ, सारे बच्चे म्यूट कर देना when I speak. Okay. The first bird said to the robbers to hurry up and rob the man's jewels and his horse. Okay. I'll share you the PDF, बच्चे. Screen I will share, not the PDF. Screen I will share you. See, first one is over, second one is over. Can you see the screen, बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
First one, if you want to write, I will give you. Okay, already I have written down for you. So now we are discussing the third one, I think, na? Can you see
Yes,
this third
ma'am.
one? What did the first bird say to the stranger? The first bird said to the robbers to hurry up and rob the man's jewels and his horse. Robbers or stranger, both are, you can write. Okay, both you can write here. The first bird said to the stranger or robbers to hurry up and rob the man's jewels and his horse. Clear? Yes, बच्चे? Okay. Now we will discuss this fourth one. Question 4. Who can read the question 4, बच्चे? Anyone, please?
Ma'am, Ankita.
Okay, Ankita, come on, read.
What did the second bird say to him?
Okay. Now see, what did the second bird say to him? Him means who is the him here? The king. Okay? Who is him here?
King.
The king.
Him कौन है यहाँ पे? King. The king. Okay? So what did the second bird say to the king? What did he say? The second bird welcomed the king to the ashram and told him to drink cold water and rest. Isn't it? उनको क्या किया? Welcome sir बोला है ना? Welcome sir. Go inside and take rest. Drink cold water and Rishi will be back soon. Soon back. है ना? He will be coming back soon. He says that. The second bird welcomed the king to the ashram and told him to drink cold water and rest and take rest. Clear, बच्चे? Question 4 is
Yes, ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You can write it down, okay? Those who want to write, please write it down. Over? हो गया बच्चे?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
नहीं हुआ. Okay. If you are writing, please write it down. First and second question. First one is, will you be able to? Second one is also here. Second one, third one, and fourth one मैं already यहाँ पे है. First one also I have there. But first one I think you will be able to write. It is in the first paragraph only. The question answer is in the first paragraph. First question का answer.
मैम ये लिखना है.
आपको चाहिए तो you can write it down because I have made for you. आप लोग के लिए ही लिखा है मैंने क्वेश्चन बना आंसर्स बना के. And when you see others question answer and all, उसमें बड़ा बड़ा question answer मिलेगा बच्चे, तुम लोग नहीं कर पाओगे. So from the book only you read properly and you write. And if you want to write this question answer, it is well and good. And if you want to write by your own, है ना, अपने शब्द में लिखने चाहते हो, that also is very good. यदि आपको नहीं आता है, then you can take it this. Otherwise you can write by yourself what you have understood from the chapter.
मैम आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का आंसर दिखा सकती हो?
हाँ बिल्कुल दिखा सकती हूँ बच्चे, यहाँ पे है ये. पर यहाँ पे मैंने मिस आउट कर दिया है एक चीज, जैसे कि द बेबी बर्ड्स गॉट सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम ईच अदर लिखना था यहाँ पे. आई थिंक इट इज मिस्ड आउट. सो यू कैन राइट इट डाउन. सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम ईच अदर बिकॉज ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड. The baby birds got separated from each other because of the strong wind. और नहीं भी लिखोगे फिर भी this answer is completed. The baby birds got separated because of the strong wind. This is also is a correct answer. And if you want to add from each other, एक दूसरे से add करने चाहते हो, then you can add it. Is it clear? Clear दिखाई दे रहा है बच्चे आप लोग को?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Over.
Ma'am, 4th और 5th का
Next one is this. Yes, 4th is here. 3rd and 4th. 2, 3 and 4. And 5th also I will give you that also. Yes, completed beta.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Till
Yes,
4th
ma'am.
you have completed.
का दिखा दो.
Next one. 5th is here. Little bit bigger. 5th is the king told the rishi about the different behavior of the two birds. है ना? The rishi explained that the first bird repeated the words of the robbers and second bird repeated what he had always heard at the ashram. जब कंप्लीट हो जाएगा बच्चे बता देना, ओके? When you will complete it, you will tell me just. Did you complete?
No, ma'am.
Have you complete? No. Over? हो गया बच्चे?
मैम लास्ट आंसर लिख रहा हूँ.
Okay, last one. Which one of the following sum up the stories best? This one is option is given and second option is the correct answer. That is, one is known by the company one keeps. This is moral also. This is the moral of the story. One is known by the company one keeps.
मैम सेकंड इज राइट.
Second is the right one. Option is given now. I think first, second, third, I think option is given. From there, second one is the answer.
Yes,
And that
ma'am.
is, this sentence is the moral of the story also.
Yes, ma'am.
The moral of the story. So all
Ma'am,
you have completed, beta? All of you? Class 6
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you have done? So shall I come back to the Zoom? Okay, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
सारे बच्चे कंप्लीट कर दिए है ना? Yes, I'll come back now. Yes, just you show me that what you have written down. Just you show me. Just keep your copy like this near the camera. Just I will see it how much you have done it. ऐसे करके रखो. दिखा दो अपना कॉपी बच्चे, ऐसा करके.
मैम मैंने शॉर्ट स्क्रीन ले लिया.
अच्छा,
मैम मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट लिया है.
मैम
then you will write it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, फिर after that you will do it ना in your copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think we have completed this chapter quickly, है ना? बहुत अच्छा से complete किया है ना?
मैम
अभिराज? Yes बेटा बोलो.
मैम वर्ड मीनिंग.
Word
हमने
meaning
send
you
कर
have to
दिया था
find
आपको.
out बेटा. अच्छा. Where you had sent in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll see. I'll check it. So you see here, अभी सारे बच्चे म्यूट कर देना बच्चे. Very good. So please don't miss out. You have to do your work every day. Otherwise, it will become very heavy for you. When reopen the school, you will have so many work to do in each subject. So it is better every day slowly, and whatever homework is given, you have to complete it. If you have any doubt, you can call or you can inform, you can ask the teachers, okay? But don't remain with the confusion mind. You have to clarify, you have to clear it with your subject teachers. Understood now? Yes. So I think I have sent you the PDF of second chapter in the group, but I haven't written anything to read or to understand. I have not given any information to you. Am I right? I have sent because I did not know how long it will take to discuss the question answer of chapter 1. So I think we have finished that chapter 1. So just I want to start that chapter 2. So all of you, you have to pay attention and listen. In this chapter 2, do you know the heading of chapter 2? Yes.
The friendly
Yes.
mongoose.
The friendly
Mongoose.
mongoose.
Yes. Correct. The friendly mongoose. Here, have you seen mongoose? बच्चे,
Yes,
have you
ma'am.
seen? अविराज, मंगूस देखा है? अविराज, have you seen mongoose?
Yes, ma'am.
हिंदी में क्या बोलते हो? हिंदी में क्या बोलते बताओ मुझे? क्या बोलते हैं?
नेवला.
हाँ, नेवला बोलते हैं. हाँ, yes. That mongoose को क्या बोलते हैं? नेवला बोलते हैं ना in हिंदी. So this is a
Yes,
very
ma'am.
nice story, you know. You will like it to hear. बहुत
मैंने
अच्छा story है. And
फर्स्ट और सेकंड दोनों
I
स्टोरी
think-
सुन रखी है मैम.
Yes, I think आप कभी छोटे टाइम पे भी आई थिंक ग्रैंडपा ग्रैंडमा आपके बताए होंगे इस स्टोरी के बारे में. इस स्टोरी को आप